Hey guys, so I have the Boxycharm Premium for the month of October. This is my not PR box. I didn't receive the PR box this month, and this month is Spellbound. I am the version 208 is my version, and the first thing in here is the Benefits Cosmetics Georgia Golden Peach Blush. I did try this on in the try-on portion. I love the Benefits packaging. Like, it's just so cute. I remember everyone used to have like some kind of Benefit, either Hoola or one of their blushes. I love the Rakuten blush. It's like one of my top 10 favorite blushes ever. This one is actually like really pale, so if you are more on the tan to deep skin, you would probably use this as a highlight. On my skin, it actually comes off like a really pretty orangey blush, but also like it's almost like I don't even need a highlight because you can actually see like it almost gives me a highlight as well. So really like these, and I don't know why I feel like these smell so freaking good. They do come with this tiny little brush, but I feel like this little blush brush is just not it for me. I've never kept any of them, but really nice. Excited that this was in here because I don't actually have this one, and that is $30. The next thing in here is the Lily Lashes Level Up Lash Enhancing Serum. This is $65. I currently use the New Lash and love that one. And I got put onto that because of Mel Thompson. May she rest in peace. I'm like so sad about the news that she passed away. I'm sure like a lot of the community who watched her like just adored her, and it's so sad. It's just like the whole thing's super sad. But because of her, I started using New Lash. She has a video on New Lash. If you haven't seen it, she did an amazing review. And I've been trying to keep watching her videos to keep her revenue going for her family. So I suggest that you do that as well if you want to support her family. But the Lily Lashes has a lash serum, so we will see if this one lives up to my New Lash. This is $65, so I will see if I like this one as much as my New Lash, if I see a difference. Let me know if you guys want me to do a full review on that. I could definitely do that and see if I see a difference or if it keeps up my lashes as much as the New Lash does. Okay, next thing in here is the Paracomb MD Vitamin C Ester Citrus Brightening Cleanser. This is $35, which is very surprising to me because Paracomb MD, like a lot of their stuff is super pricey. It's really great skincare. I remember trying their plasma and loving it, but it is on the higher price side. So vitamin C is really good for brightening, and it says that you can use this morning or evening. And not only that, it has like some kind of DMAE. I don't know what that is, but it says for visible lifts, copper complex to hydrate and energize skin. So I do have more on the dry, like a combination more dry skin. So I will definitely be using this and seeing if I like it, especially because the price point is like really nice. $35 for 6 ounces is really good. Next thing in here is the LYS Beauty, and I think that this was my choice. I'm almost sure either this or the Lily Lashes was my choice. I can't remember, I can't pinpoint. This one for sure I know, which is the LYS. This is the No Limits Matte Bronzer. I've wanted to try more of their products. I did sign up for their affiliate link, and anybody can do so. So if I find the coupon code, I will put it around here or down below if you guys want to use that. Maybe, who knows, if enough people use it, they will send me products that I can review. So this has green tea extract, sodium hyaluronate, and niacinamide. So this is supposed to be a matte bronzer, but to be honest with you guys, look how cute the packaging. The only thing is that it does get the fingerprints on there. I got the shade Harmony Medium, so I was able to pick that out, and thankfully my shade was still available when I logged in. This is a little bit more on the orange side, very similar to MAC Give Me Sun. I love that their packaging is in a triangle form. The only thing is that it says it's matte, and I would definitely say that this is satin. If you see it in person, you will definitely see, like if you twist it in the light, you will see like a little bit of a luminous effect to it, which to be honest I'm not mad at, because I love a little bit of luminosity to any product, just because like as you get older I feel like those favor your skin and just make you look more glowy and more youthful. So I really like that it is more of a satin blush, a satin bronzer. So I really like that. So it's not matte, but I do enjoy the formula, and I did try this on the try on portion, and this is worth $18. Next thing in here is the Tarte Man Eater Plumping Gloss. This is $19. I actually already own this in the shade Buff, so I went ahead and tried it on and left this one to give away to a friend. These are really nice. They get a little goopy, and I tell you guys a little hint in the try on portion, but I really enjoy these. These are really nice. The colors on here are all very like neutral tone and can work with anything. I love how beautiful they look on the lips. If you don't like something that's minty or is going to give you a little bit of that plumping, like a little bit of that tingling feeling, then these are a skip for you, but I really enjoy it, so I was happy to see this in here. And then the last thing in here, oh, and that Man Eater is $19. The last thing in here is the Dew of the Gods Filla Collagen Under Eye Pads. These are $20 for a set of 10. These are supposed to help with depuffing. It's supposed to help like underneath your eyes. It has collagen, vitamin C, and witch hazel. So I will definitely be trying these out. The first thing I do when I wake up is put actually like under eye patches underneath my eyes. I am getting older, and you could definitely see here, like today I had to add a little bit more extra powder because my eyes started watering and damaging my makeup. So I added a little bit extra powder, and you can definitely see that it just adds on to the texture underneath my eyes. So I try to be very light-handed with powder, with concealer underneath my eyes, because it does age you. And one of the best things that you can do before doing your makeup, or even like if you're not gonna wear makeup, are using like under eye pads. I just feel like it really hydrates, plumps the area, really hydrates that area. And that area is usually, I don't know why, like even when I had oilier skin, that area is always like a little bit more drier, and as you get older it just gets drier and drier. So really excited to use these. And now I will jump into the try on portion. For the try on portion, first we are going to try this. This was actually my choice, which was the LYS Beauty No Limits Matte Bronzer. I have wanted to try more of their stuff. I actually have a coupon code with them. I'll see if I can find it because I signed up for their affiliate program, so I'll try to put that down below. But I got the shade Medium Harmony, and I think that this is a really great shade for my skin tone. So I am going to use the Anissa Buffing Bronzer Brush. I will be doing a review on these and letting you guys know my opinions on the 4 brushes that I got from Anissa that I bought myself. And we're just gonna pat this on. Yeah, this is perfect for my skin tone. It's a little bit more on the warm side. I wouldn't really use this for contouring, but I do like it for bronzing up the face, so that's what it looks like. Now that I've warmed up the face, I'm going to use the Benefit Georgia, and I really like Benefit Cosmetics blushes. Their box blushes have been always one of my favorites, especially the Rockateur. And this one says it's a new shade. I could have sworn that Georgia was already a shade, or maybe they reformulated it. And I don't know why I like the smell of their boxed blushes. If you ever take a sniff at them, they smell really great. So Georgia is more of a light orangey shade. It's almost like a, I would actually say like this is almost like a, God, Melissa, talk. This is almost like a highlight. So let's see. No, it actually applies okay. It's a little light, but with the bronzer, I think it goes well. So it does have some radiance to it. So if you have texture, this might not be like the blush for you because of that shimmer that it has, because it will bring out the texture on your cheeks. So I'm applying this on top of the bronzer and more towards the inner cheeks. Oh, that's pretty. That's like a pretty bronzy look together. And I don't even think I need highlight because you can see like it gives like a natural highlight with the blush. And then the other thing that I'm going to try is this. I actually already own this, so I'm going to use mine. This is Buff from Tarte. I love these pumping lip glosses. They're so good. If you don't like that tingling feeling, this might not be for you. it does have that minty tingling feeling to it. And here is Buff on the lips. I can already feel the little tingling. It's very minty. It doesn't taste really good. And you can get some of that. You see how it can attach to itself? Like, I don't know if you guys are seeing that. So I would definitely say like blot a little bit just to get that excess off, and then that will go away. And that is everything that came in my box. I have to say, overall, I'm super happy with this box. There's not one dud in here. I do already own the Man Eater lip gloss, but that's not like a dud for me. It's actually something that I really enjoy. And every brand in here is something that I'm excited about, that I will use. The under eye pads, the gloss, the bronzer, the cleanser, the Lily lashes, the Georgia blush. So this box this month was really good for me. Like I said, this is my not PR one, and when my base box comes, I will be doing a video on that as well. I really feel like if they're going to be upping the price, I hope to see more boxes like this where I don't even have a dud. I think if I'm going to be paying more every month, I expect to at least love, like if there's 5 products, I better love 4 out of the 5. You know what I mean? Like there better be only like one dud in there, if that. Let me know what your thoughts are as far as the new pricing. Are you going to stay subscribed? I know a lot of you guys said that you were going to stay unsubscribed, or you know, like stop getting premium and then just do the base box. And I don't know, depending on how things go, I might do that, depending if you guys still like these videos. I don't know, who knows. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. If you're not subscribed and like beauty videos, I do other content other than unboxings. I'd love to have you subscribe and watch. And also I do have social media down below. If you want to follow me on TikTok, I do little funny videos over there. And then also on Instagram, I do post and share in my stories and stuff like that. So that is all linked down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.